Hey guys, what's going on? This is Asif and you are watching the review and unboxing of Fire TV Stick on Techtiper channel. So let's get started. So we have got this box and I bought this stick from Amazon India at rupees 3999. It is actually available on sale for rupees 2999, and they usually do this kind of sale, so you can get it at that price. So we have the box with us. I'm opening the box. I've actually already opened it, but opening it for you once again to show you what are the contents. So these are the instruction manuals to let you know how to assemble and how to set it up with your TV. So we'll keep it aside and see what else we have in the box. So this is the USB micro USB cable to power up the Amazon Fire Stick TV. So, and we have got the extension cable as well, in case if you're not able to connect your Fire TV stick with the TV directly, you can use this extension cable to connect it. So it is foldable and you can easily connect it. And these are AAA size batteries that will go inside this remote. It's a Bluetooth enabled remote and it is of 5.5 inch of size. I've actually compared it with my smartphone, so it was just of that size. And we have got the wall adapter, so we will plug in the micro USB cable into the wall adapter and power it in case the TV is not powering it sufficiently. If your TV does not supply sufficient power to the Amazon stick, even if there is a USB slot, so you can use this power wall adapter to power it up. So this is the Amazon Fire Stick TV and it looks quite minimalistic. There's nothing else in the box, and you can use this stick to convert any TV, any flat TV that has got HDMI slot. You can connect this to the HDMI slot and turn your normal TV into a smart TV. So consider this USB stick as a CPU with an operating system which is specifically designed for TVs, and you can connect it with a monitor or TV and you can control it with the Bluetooth remote. And now let's see how we have to connect this Amazon Fire Stick TV to our TVs. So like I said, that if you are not able to get this connected behind your TV, you can use the extension cable like this, so that it is actually foldable and it's very nice design, so you can actually manage to connect it behind your TV and then turn on the HDMI mode on your TV and wait for the instructions. It actually takes somewhere from 1 minute to 10 minutes for the Amazon Fire Stick TV to get configured. So it gets easily configured, and then you can pair your remote with it and then connect the Amazon Fire Stick TV to the Wi-Fi, the home Wi-Fi network, so that you have the internet connection, because you need to have internet connection if you want to use it, obviously. So you will have to set it up, connect it to your Wi-Fi, enter the password, install the apps going to the App Store. To install the apps, you will need to log into your Amazon account, and if you do not have an Amazon account, you can create it right away on the screen itself. And once you have installed the apps will be visible on the home screen. You can install apps like Netflix, NDTV, Hotstar, and there are many other apps available for the TV. So all of it will be visible on the home screen, and there is actually a voice command button. The Bluetooth remote is also voice enabled, so you can search for the content that you want to watch, though it is actually only available, it only works with the Amazon Prime Video. So you need to have the Amazon Prime Video subscription, and once you have it, it is quite impressive. And I've been using it from last few days and it's quite well. It works on a 2 Mbps connection and I have no problems. So this is it. This is the review of the Amazon Fire Stick. I hope you like it, and you can read the detailed review on the Techtiper channel. I will leave the link in the description. So this is it. I will see you in the next one.